invoicing is a very common process regardless of the business type or vertical. And typically, a large-scaled enterprise is going to have a team that receives, let's say, inbound via email some information from a customer. They've got to parse through. They've got to receive the email. They've got to parse through it. They've got to open it. They've got to read it. They've got to download or take whatever information is contained within that email. They've got to examine it for error and respond. If there's an error, here's what my process is to respond to the error and get it fixed, which might mean a return loop back to a customer, or I process it into my ERP system, which might take some manual coding, or perhaps I have some scanning capability. A lot of companies now do some scanning capability where I can literally take an invoice, which I've already looked through and passed, and put that information into a system. Then the ERP system needs to talk to other systems inside the organization. Accounting, do I have a payable or a receivable? How does it tie within that system? So now a whole group of other people inside the company are activated just to process and issue an invoice, and then look at the payment flows all the way through till the end and audit them. Did I get the right amount of cash in? Did I pay the right amount of cash out? Did it go to the right account? Did it come from the right account? So this is a process in the pre-AI era that companies have spent a lot of time trying to find ways to improve. Efficiency improvement might be the general terminology that's been used historically. But with an agentic system, think about every step I mentioned along the way, and you can take literally every one of those processes that I mentioned. Not one of them cannot be handled or automated by an agentic system. So from getting the email, making sure that the invoice is correct, getting that information from the invoice into the system, managing it through and tying into my organizational accounting systems, all of that washes through in an automated way with agentic. And when there are errors that it finds, let's say, a misplaced decimal point, a missing zero, an incorrect amount that doesn't match my books, it will know how to act and what action to take independent of a human being there to tell it exactly what to do. So these are the types of changes in automation that a real-time agentic example can illustrate for you.